Do you know that in forex market, price often a time does same thing in different ways? Think about that. I welcome you to Heartfelt Forex Weekly Review. The review is always dropped in this channel every Saturdays, and analysis is dropped every Sundays and or late Mondays. The essence of this review is to give you an insight, a better understanding on how I take my trades. The essence of this review is to unlock my entry strategy, what I do before I take my entries and the buyers. So if you want to understand more about the analysis of every Sundays or Mondays, as the case may be, it is important you go through every videos on the review so you can get more insight. One of the way to do that is to turn on the notification button, subscribe to this channel, and share to as many as possible that you can reach out to. Then if you want to get an update on each of those buyers, as it is being said in the analysis, you want to get an update, follow up, or you want to get some set up on scalping, all right, scalping in between those trades, you can as well go to the description section. The link to my Telegram channel is there. All right, you can hop into our Telegram channel through the link in the description section below the video, and you will come on board. All of it is for free because we grow by growing people. So let's hop into the chart and see what the price did for the previous trading week. As you can see, or if you can remember vividly, I told us last week or last trading, just this trading concluded week, that we are to anticipate a bullish bias for the week that is just concluded, right? A bullish bias, and I gave us conditions for the bullish bias. The major condition I told us in the previous video, if you watched it, is that you have to wait. We want to go bullish for the weekend. First and foremost, you must wait for price to take the low of the Asian. All right, we want to buy. So the power of three, which is your accumulation, manipulation, and distribution, has to do with your wait for the open. All right, the low, the high, and the close. All right, so that is what we anticipated for the week. And on Monday, you can see here on Euro USD, right? On Monday, Euro USD, there was a gap, all right, and price started by going upwards. On GBP USD, there was a gap. GBP USD, all right, New York took off the Asian, all right, but it didn't happen on Euro USD, so it is not symmetrical. So on Monday, what I did was to sit on my hands and wait for what is to come. Though there were some entry setups for scalping, like I told you, when you up into Telegram, you will get some of those details. But as we anticipated for the weekly analysis, no setup for Monday unless you want to scalp. All right. So I waited. On Tuesday, right? On Tuesday, what happened? Price took off the Asian low on Tuesday. Price took off the Asian low. All right. Both Euro USD and GBP USD, price took off the Asian low. As you can see at the top here, there was an imbalance created by GBP USD, but price didn't return to retest the imbalance, neither the other block. So now that price has taken the Asian low, what is our anticipation? As I told you from the weekly analysis video, what you have to anticipate is for price to create an order block, which they did on the two, pairs, right? Euro USD and GBPUSD took off the Asian low and created an order block. All right. Now on Euro USD, here is it on Euro USD. On Euro USD, what happened here? There was another block created here. You can see that other block was created here, which went below the Asian low. After reading the Asian low, there was another block created. There was an imbalance created, and price traded down to retest the imbalance. Though I was anticipating price to hit the other block before I take my trade, but with the way price was, moving, I had to, go to a lower time frame to take an entry. But in a better form, you can also be patient enough to take price when it hits the other block. So this is what happened. So Euro USD gave us a better, entry opportunity, unlike, GBP USD. All right, unlike GBP USD. As you can see here, GBP USD, there was, an imbalance created and it was not really filled as expected. So that is why I decided to leave the entry on GBP USD. All right. So that is that. Now I said that for you to target it, what should be your, you know, your target. Your target is your previous day high since we are buying. All right. But if on Tuesday price did not take off the previous day high, which is on Monday, what are you going to anticipate? You anticipate that on Wednesday, Tuesday becomes your previous day high. That is exactly what happened. All right. On Wednesday, price took off the previous day high, which is on Tuesday, and you collapse your trade. If you measure this, is about ratio 1 to 2.5. All right, ratio 1 to 2.5. All right, by ratio 1 to 2.5. So it's a good one. Don't forget our target minimum is about ratio 1 to 2, but we have 1 to 2.5, so you can collapse the trade. But if you also took you take a double entry, you can collapse one, close your entries, and see what price will do. As you can see on Wednesday, price did what? Price started to push up further, push further, push further, push further. Wednesday, Thursday, price kept moving up, up, and up. All right, till Friday. Till Friday. So that is that about what happened for the week. So as we anticipated was how price panned out. So that is that. So if you have any question, please go to the comment section, drop it. If you want to come in and see how update is being given on this, you can come into our Telegram channel by going to the description box and make use of the link, and I'll see you inside the channel. All right, that is that. Let's see what happens tomorrow or late Mondays, as I'll be dropping our weekly analysis for the new week. God bless you.